Welcome to Notes About Notes, a podcast exploring perfume's practical, social, political, cultural, and commercial walks of life. We look at what these mean for you and other perfume lovers. Today's blog post is titled, How to Make DIY Scented Solid Deodorant. From public health and environmental concerns to overpowering scents that compete with your scent of the day, store-bought deodorant can leave a lot to be desired. Natural deodorants allow you to know and choose what's actually in your cosmetics, and take a fun and active approach to your personal care and scented style. This comprehensive guide will walk you through a DIY deodorant recipe. You can make it in less than 10 minutes. Each can be made in less than 10 minutes. Each can be made with your favorite perfume. Each can be made with base ingredients from your kitchen and bathroom. Choosing the right fragrance for your deodorant. When choosing a fragrance for your natural deodorant, consider essential oils or perfume oils that not only provide a pleasant scent but also offer additional benefits. Lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus oils are popular choices for their antimicrobial properties, while citrus oils like lemon and bergamot provide a refreshing aroma. If using perfume in your mix, consider natural perfumes or old perfumes you have lying around. If trying new perfumes, you can stretch the life of your testing sets by incorporating them into your deodorant. Custom Scented Solid Deodorant Recipe. Ingredients. Times a quarter cup baking soda, deodorizer which also soaks up sweat. Times a quarter cup arrowroot powder or cornstarch, an antiperspirant that can be used to make homemade deodorant without baking soda, which can irritate the skin, or in ratio. In a pinch, you can also use plain flour, cornstarch, or tapioca powder. Avoid talc. Times 4 tablespoons unfractionated coconut oil, an antibacterial agent, reducing odor-producing bacteria in your armpit. Please note, your mixture won't harden properly with fractionated coconut oil. Times shea butter adds moisture while acting as a non-comedogenic binding and thickening agent, helping the deodorant stay on your skin and keeping your skin from drying out. Times 10 to 15 drops of your preferred essential oil or perfume. Use sparingly or this can irritate the skin. The alcohol in your perfume may also begin to make your mixture unstable. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the baking soda and arrowroot powder, or cornstarch. 2. Add the coconut oil to the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. 3. Slowly add the essential oil or perfume of your choice and mix thoroughly to distribute the fragrance evenly. 4. Transfer the mixture into a clean, airtight container for storage. Application and usage tips. Proper techniques for applying and storing your homemade DIY deodorant. To use your custom scented deodorant, simply scoop a small amount onto your fingertips and apply it to clean, dry underarms. Allow the deodorant to absorb into the skin before dressing to prevent any residue or staining on clothing. Store your natural deodorant in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its consistency and fragrance potency. Conclusion. Creating your own scented deodorant infused with fragrance allows you to customize your scent while also enjoying the benefits of a known and cleaner formula. With simple ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, you can craft a personalized deodorant blend that keeps you feeling fresh and confident all day long. DIY Solid Deodorant FAQs. How much custom scented deodorant should I use? The mix is solid but spreads well, so a pea-sized amount. This is about the same amount as toothpaste you'd put on your toothbrush. How does DIY deodorant differ from store-bought? You may sometimes need to reapply. DIY deodorant has no aluminium, so your sweat ducts aren't blocked. That said, the coconut oil and baking soda, arrowroot powders will give good odor protection. What if my skin reacts to natural deodorant? You may have an allergy to one of the ingredients. Your perfume or essential oil, or baking soda, is the most likely cause. Patch test your mixture without these ingredients one at a time, then each other ingredient. My DIY deodorant isn't solid enough. First try putting it in your fridge. If this doesn't work, your mixture is likely too moist. Simply add more baking or arrowroot powder, which will soak up this moisture and create a firmer texture. How long will my DIY deodorant last? With proper storage, 6 to 12 months. What scent should I choose for my homemade deodorant? If you like to wear lots of fragrances, or you're unsure how yours will smell in the final mix, you can follow the recipe above without your perfume or essential oil. You can then separate the mixture into multiple containers for multiple scents, experimenting with your favorite perfumes or powdered fragrant herbs and kitchen spices. That's it for today. You can support this podcast by subscribing or leaving a 5-star review. You can support our perfumery at celie-and-couch.co.uk. That's CELIE and couch.co.uk. Warm wishes, wherever and whenever you're listening.